It is late November, but there's still plenty of time to make another Christmas craft. And this one, as you can see, is on a board. And we have started painting black on here. So we will come back and show you what the next step is, which is basically painting black on the front. And then we add the decorations. And it'll look just fine. Don't worry about that black. Okay, here we have the front all painted black. And what we want this to look like is a chalkboard. So now we go on to most probably dry brushing a little white on here and adding our decorations. Stay tuned. Now hopefully you can see I have drawn with a pencil on here some words. Oh, that's a little bit better. And a little candy cane. So we're going to see what this turns out like when we get this painted. Okay, now you can tell what it is. This is our rough outline painted in for our candy cane and our letters. And we have to go over that because you can still see the black showing through there, which is not horrible, but we gotta straighten up our letters and everything. And our candy cane. We don't want black showing through on the candy cane, I don't think. And that's what we have so far. A little more to do. That's a nice candy cane. I think I forgot a red stripe. Oh, there it is. Okay. Nice candy cane. And here we are now. We have gone over our colors, our white and black, to make them a little more solid. And I haven't totally covered them in because I'm going to do a little sanding on here to age this. But I have to wait for my paint to dry, so we'll be back. And here's our finished sign, hung up on our door with our other Christmas items. You might remember this one, Christmas trees, our candy canes, and our candy cane sign took hardly any time at all. Well, kind of like the Christmas tree sign. And we'll have to figure out what to do for the next craft, if we need one. We'll have to find out. Anyway, thanks for watching, as always. Please subscribe for more. I need many more subscribers, and I don't have them yet. So, think about it, and like the video.